Here, I want to show you a fun little thing to do if you're transplanting plants from a smaller pot to a larger pot. Now, I learned this from Monty Don. If you're not British and you don't know who Monty Don is, look him up. Look him up. Okay, so this is a lot of fun. So I've got this Calla Lily, and it's not hardy for this area, so I'm going to put it in a large pot, and that way I can put it in the greenhouse in the wintertime. It won't die of freezing. So I want to pot them up. Take your pot. Here's the first pot. I put a little dirt in the bottom of it. There's some material in the bottom. Take your plant in its pot and put it right there. Now put your dirt in all around it. Get it all in there around it. This is my topsoil mix, manure and fertilizer and everything's in this. Okay, so I filled it up with dirt, right? Now I'm going to push down. I'm going to pack that dirt in because it's got to hold its shape. It's got to hold its shape here. So we're just putting that down in there, re-exposing my pot here so I can see it, so I can get a hold of it. Push that down. Now watch, I'm going to pull this out of here. Just turn it a little bit, and I pull this pot out. Now take a look. I've got that same spot as that pot there. Now we'll just slap this guy in the bottom here, pull it out, and watch. Oh, look at the nice roots. A lot of roots there. He needed repotted, right? Right down in that spot, Bob's your uncle. Perfect. Now just add a little more dirt around, and you've got a perfectly repotted plant without having all that fuss. You know, without fussing all about getting it dirt around. Just perfect. So there you go.